Walk over here close and she'll try to protect her eggs. Come closer. Ooh, she might come after you. She gonna come after you?
I see him.
Come over here closer.
Dad, get the egg. No, Daddy, we don't want to do it.
Okay.
She's scary.
She's scary. She come after you?
No.
Let's see if she'll lead us away from the eggs. Oh, she's acting injured, so that we'll get away from the eggs. Trying to lure us away from the nest. Acting injured. That's what they do. Now get away from the eggs. Where are the eggs? Oh, look here. They're black, white, and brown looking. Now don't touch them or she won't come back to them.
Oh, Dad, she's coming back. She's coming back.
She'll sit on them. See how she's going to sit on them now? Back up a little bit. She'll sit on them.
He's cool.
Back up.
He's not as scary anymore.
Back up, Caitlin.
He's not that scary anymore. You can.
Back up, kids. Come on. Come on, she'll sit on the eggs here in just a second.
I think he's actually cute now. Daddy, is that nest over there still there?
Walk over and see if she's still cute. Walk up close to her.
No way. No way.
Kirsten will.
I will try.
Oh, did they scare you? All right, let's leave her alone now. She's been aggravated enough. Let's walk around this way. Come on.